Hi everyone, quick video on this item. Purchased this from Amazon. This is the Speck Flaptop sleeve for the MacBook Air. Got this for $5.99 shipped via Amazon Prime. Now they make some other sizes for different MacBooks. This item was originally, I believe, manufactured actually in 2017. So it's kind of spec'd out for older models. Just comes in this type of cardboard here. Not too much to the packaging. This is how I got it. You know, it came in a poly bag. Again, it's the Speck Flaptop sleeve. It has a fit guide here for different MacBooks. It mentions the MacBook Pro, slightly thicker, and the MacBook Pro with the optical drive. So this case comes in a few different thicknesses. Again, it's not for the newer models. So definitely pay attention to the dimensions and the measurements. I believe Amazon tells you the exact measurements of the item on the web page on this listing. It does have a 1-year warranty and tells you it's water resistant, obviously not waterproof. Okay, so I'm gonna just slide it out here. Again, there's not much to it. Just kind of sits in there like that. This comes in 2 different colors. I believe it comes in an all black, and it comes in this charcoal gray with a bright blue border. Pretty nice. For $5.99, I don't think you can go wrong with this. I mean, even if you don't really use it extensively, you could hold on to it if you want. I think this could add value on a resell. You know, when you do sell your device, you could of course include this, save the packaging, and that's what I would do anyway. So anyway, you can see it's fairly light. I think it's really nice. The corners, it's got like a rubberized, it's like a hard rubber border all the way around it. The flap does not sit perfectly flat, you know, like in the advertisement. It, you know, the pictures, they always make everything look perfectly, you know, even. You know, there is a little bit of unevenness to the way the flap sits. And this is the mechanism. You just kind of pull it open and you slide your MacBook in there. You could see the rubberized interior on the edges. And of course the inside is really, not of course, but the inside is made of the same material as the outside. There's no special, nothing special inside. But I think it's really, really nice. Of course, there's little slits here to make the bend hinge type of design a little bit easier to bend. They have the little slits on both sides. And we're gonna take a look now. Over here I have a MacBook Air from 2012. It is an older one. You can see, I'm gonna just like put it outside. It does make the overall footprint a little bit bigger if you have it in a backpack. You know, I would say it's about 3/4 of an inch on either side. So the width, I would say, is about 1.5 inches wider. you know, in your bag or backpack. And the same thing with the top and bottom. There's about 3/4 of an inch here and about 3/4 of an inch there. So the overall footprint would be a little bit bigger. So bear that in mind. All right, I'm gonna do a hang off the table setup here and actually slide this in to the MacBook. I need 2 hands. I'm gonna show you how this works. So here's the item. All right. So let me just sit down here so I'm not. So you pretty much just open this up. Slide your computer in. And then flap it back. And that's it. It sits like this. And you're ready to go. Gonna take it back out. You have to, I mean, you could do it with 2 hands. You could do it with 1 hand. I like to do it with 2 hands. Just kind of flap it open. Right? And you pull your computer out. Anyway, for this price, I have to say, I think is excellent. Definitely a buy. I'm really glad I got this for $5.99. Now, some of the other models are more expensive, so pay attention when you're sorting out your cart on Amazon. Yeah, okay, I got the phone upside down. Pay attention when you're choosing your model and color. Of course, I do believe these could get up as high as maybe $14.99, $29.99, $19.99, depending which model you need. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, questions, I answer everybody. Feel free and have a good day.